and welcome to this year's Digital Embedded World 2021. My name is Dustin with Qbic Technology, and today with me here is Vincent.
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you too, Vincent, and thank you for joining us today. Now, Vincent here is the project manager for our open frame systems, and today in preparation for this interview, we have a few questions.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. Our first question for you here today, could you tell us what types of customization options are offered with Qbic's open frame PCs?
Sure. We are able to customize the features like LCD brightness, dimming, and even stainless steel frames. If you want to have a Qbic on motherboard design, we also can customize the feature to provide flexibility to our clients.
That's great. Can you tell us about the overall brightness in terms of nits and the dimming of the system?
It depends. We offer from 200 nits for indoor usage to 1000 nits or higher for outdoor usage. We can customize the dimming for naturally darker environment like hospitals or marine vessels.
And for these framed panel PCs, do they meet the IP65 and 67 standards?
Yes, of course. We can provide high regulation standards to meet our clients' certification. We also pass specific industrial and military grade standards.
Okay, so let's talk about the medical systems as an example. What type of systems are certified?
We have some products they can pass IEC 60110, and it's very common in medical industry.
Okay, and is there a minimum limit for the order quantity of the systems?
No, there is not. Qbic can fulfill both large and small quantities.
Okay, so tell us, what's so special about open frame PC design for home control or room scheduling?
The ID design for both products is very important, and the large part of the home automation systems is constructed, installed along with the swipe pipeline. We are very experienced in designing the installation details.
Okay, well, I have one last question for you, Vincent. Why are our clients so satisfied with Qbic?
Well, we are the experts in this industry. We have design and customized capabilities. We have over 100 years of combined experience, and most importantly, to ensure the product quality. Our major components are manufactured in Taiwan. Taiwan has the best manufacturers. Qbic is located in Taiwan, so Qbic is the best choice for our customers.
Oh, that's wonderful, and that concludes the questions that we have. Qbic Technology is an award-winning manufacturer of all-in-one ARM-based systems for open frame PCs. Our dedicated team of designers and engineers specialize in crafting high-end displays in a variety of shapes and sizes for digital healthcare, transportation, smart retail, and factory automation. Qbic focuses on every aspect of panel PC design. Touch panel applications include touch panel design, PCAP, restraint, in-cell and on-cell technologies, air and direct bonding, and anti-glare, fog, and antibacterial protection. For chassis mechanical design, we provide customized IDs and IP certification. Mounting types for our systems include wall mounts, standalone, flush mounts, recess mounts, mullion mounts, and more. All Qbic panel PCs are made using quality components and are put through rigorous testing for 16.7 usage. We satisfy a wide range of certifications including IP65 and 67 as well to pass industrial and military grade standards. Qbic offers both ODM and ODM services to help make our clients' ideas come true, regardless of whether it's a long-term relationship or a case-by-case scenario, large order or small. We'll leverage our resources and ensure your customized product makes it to market in time and meets the highest industry standards. For more information, feel free to message us at sales@qbictechnology.com or visit our website at www.qbictechnology.com. Have a great day.